Imana asị na get rich and die young. Some people may understand it. The one is in now. Some of these young boys are ready to go to extreme end to make sure that they make the money. They don't care anymore due to the frustration of the society, due to ife obodo nyere. Una afro these young boys na Nnewi na ka shi gbara ọtọ na-aga n'ụzọ. All assignment e nyere fa dị proud na-eme ya because of the what the society has been for them. We are now going back to a place where nobody cares anymore. Nobody cares how you make the money. All they care is the money. So these young boys now Borotanaga and Nnewi should show you that this world is coming to an end. Share this video. Share this video.